Hi everyone. Today I'd like to walk through a quick simple migration from COBOL to C# application using Ispirer Tookit. You can give it a try by requesting a free demo license, or learn more by following the links to the Ispirer website in the description. Now let's start our COBOL to C# application migration walkthrough with Ispirer nGLFly wizard. The tool included to Ispirer Toolkit and designed to manage the application conversion process. First, I need to provide the directory where the configuration files will be located. Further, I choose the source type, in my case it will be an application. In addition, the tool can migrate the database scripts and embedded SQL. I need to choose COBOL as the source technology, but our tool also can migrate different languages, for example Delphi or Power Builder. Then I choose the source files that I want to convert. This process will be the same for all directions. Following that, on the next page, I select the database API and database management system for the conversion. Besides, I can set additional options for any directions if I click the Advanced button. On the Target Options page, I'm setting parameters for the conversion result. The database API and database management system for the target may be selected as well. Depending on the selected properties, you can change the parameters by clicking the Advanced button. After that, I choose the directory where all the generated conversion results will be placed. If you encounter any errors during the migration process, you need to rerun the conversion with the Run in Trace Mode property and get the .trc file. Please send us this file along with the sql-ways.log file to analyze your errors. Now on the summary page you can see all the conversion settings that have been adjusted, as well as the command line at the bottom. By clicking the Edit Options File button, I will see the sql-ways.ini file with the selected parameters. There is also a possibility to schedule the conversion in command line mode if needed. On the next page, I click Start Conversion to launch the migration. The information about the conversion output is displayed dynamically on the screen. You can examine the conversion results in the sql-ways.log file as well. If you find this video helpful, support us by clicking subscribe, like, and share this video with people who might benefit from it when migrating COBOL to C#. Once the conversion process is complete, I can view the summary report on the source files. After clicking the Finish button, the migration configuration will be saved for future launches, and nGLFly wizard will be closed. The tool generates a report that reveals which objects have been converted and whether any conversion errors occurred due to parser errors or license restrictions. After the automatic conversion, please follow the next guidelines to tune up the converted code. First, create an appropriate workspace solution in IDE suited to the target technology. Second, from the result folder select the converted files or folders and add them into the created workspace solution. Third, if the result folder contains the Ispirer framework folder or additional files with classes, add them to the workspace solution as well. Note, these are a special framework provided by Ispirer. It extends the target technology to enable certain features of the source code base. Fourth, download if needed and add the required dependencies for the IDE you use. Finally, complete the code conversion with the IDE. Please note that the conversion quality can be improved through customization of nGLFly. Feel free to contact the Ispirer support team for assistance. Ispirer Toolkit is a fast, easy and reliable way to migrate with minimal downtime to the C# application. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thanks for watching.